Hi mommies! Welcome back to our channel. So earlier we had unboxed this one, Wisemom Pocket Rechargeable Double Electric Breast Pump, and I have already tried using the breast pump. And so here's what I noticed. This one, I like this. I like how it is designed. I like how it is designed to, for you to just carry, and I like the fact that they also give me this necktie, which is very, very, very helpful, especially that I'm a work from home mom. So I'm an ESL teacher, so every time I work, it would be easier for me to use this. So at the same time, here is what they have here. This is, I don't know what to call this, but it has all the information about the pump. So far, so good, because they're written in English, so you can just understand it. You don't have to translate it. And let's go to, let's say, the parts. So far with the parts, it says here there are 13 parts. And so far, I mean, with what was delivered to me, all of the parts that is written here are have arrived, and it's complete. So it's good on that part. Now there is one thing missing though, because in my order I specifically advised the seller to give me nipple, because they will give you bottles but no nipples, because I think they support I'm not sure what they support, but they don't give you nipples. So all you have to do is just, message them and give them instruction to give you nipples for the bottles. And I did not receive that, but I'm very sure that if I message them, they would definitely give that to me. Instead, they sent me this valve, extra valve instead. I don't know what to do with this. It would have been nice to have, nipples with the bottles already, so I can just directly cover it and have my baby use it. But it isn't there. But I'm very sure they will go ahead and resolve that once I go ahead and tell them that it's not here. And let's go to the control panel, this one itself. Okay, here the good thing about this, I really like this pump so far, because look at this one. It's very small, it's very handy, and I also like the display part. I like the part that you can see the battery life. I'm not sure if you can see it, but yes, you can see the battery life of it, and it's very awesome. And at the same time, you can also see the different level and how many minutes you have already been pumping. So that's very good. You can also see the level. I'm not sure. Yeah, you can't see it, but there, the massage part, and then there's that full volume of extraction. So that's very nice for me, because I have bought a pump before, an electric pump, and it doesn't have that feature. So for me, that's a thumbs up. The battery life is also shown, and I like that. And what I don't like about this though, which is something that for me needs to be improved, is the power button, because it's not soft touch, so you have to long press it, and I'm just I don't know, I just don't like that. But I think that's a good thing also, because especially if you're traveling and just put it in your bag, it doesn't turn on its own when touched by anything. But for me, that's just not so good, because you have to long press before it would turn on. But so far, it's not really very hard to turn it on. And as written, of course, there's a massage mode. You can just go ahead and press this one, and also the expression mode. You can also use the plus and minus buttons to, of course, choose the level of force for extraction, I'm not sure. And there's also an instruction for how to use. I have already bought a pump before, and I already know how to use this one. So it's very understandable. There is a 1-year parts and service warranty, and there's also a website that you can contact whenever there is a problem with the pump itself. And yes, so far it's good. But when this arrived, I was quite worried because other pumps, electric pumps actually, they would send you like white tube and just single tube. Because me, I don't like using white tubes because I don't like holding two breasts at the same time. I just like one, so my other hand can still do something. But this time, it's good. I was worried because I thought you really have to use, two bottles at the same time for it to successfully, extract milk. But that doesn't the case. So this is how it is. So, well, if you want to connect another bottle, this is how you do it. Just connect it with the other bottle. And if you don't wanna do it, you just have to connect it here. And then it's yes, it's even stronger. So that's it. But like what I said, all the parts are complete, and at the same time, so far I was very happy. I have already tried it. This is after 5 minutes of extraction, and with with its performance, so far so good. I also like the fact that it isn't so noisy. You can hear buzzing, of course, but it isn't to a point where it's very disturbing. So it's good. And this one, this is what I pumped, and I have already extracted milk though because I have fed my baby before this review. But it's good. So far so good. And that's it, guys. So I bought this for 2035. The store is Baby Mama, and with that 2035 pesos, I've got this Mami Ko chocolate, and we also have milk tea Mami Ko. And the original price of this, I think, is 1995. But I got like a free shipping. I bought this last October 10, which was their sale, and at the same time, I got a 200 pesos voucher from Baby Mama, so I was able to use that. So instead of just keeping that, I just bought these items instead. So that's it. So far so good. If you're a working mom, I would recommend for you to use this one, because like what I said, it's very handy, and you can monitor the battery life of the pump itself. So it's good. It's also a good in pumping. So I would just hope that hopefully this would last for some time at least, so we could make the best of what we have paid. But yes, guys, so far so good. So thank you so much. Take care.